you're really talking about has to do with the root, you know, the tooth roots, and them kind of having this either genetic potential to kind of resorb as a result of force being put on the teeth, and probably the environment is as well, that the roots are being pushed into. Doesn't happen to everybody, but you know, those that are susceptible, it can happen to.
Okay. And why would gum grafting fail? So,
Well, if you have a tooth that's like, you know, at an incorrect axial inclination, the tooth is really tipped out, and there's basically there's no bone on the front side of the tooth. Sometimes a tissue graft can be very, it may be unstable, it may be unsuccessful.